Okay. The last one finally. 12 ang zodiac sign. So, I'm doing the best I can to finish and fulfill my purpose for reading energies for people this 2025. So, anong highlight ng mga Sagittariuses this 2025? Wait, ayusin ko lang yung deck. Okay. Anong kailangan bang i-heal ng Sagittarius? What's coming in? Anong ine-expect ng Sagittarius? Bakit drawn ako sa pag-end? End ng what? Oy. May creative block. Ano siya? The Empress card is reversed. So, may creative block, may selfishness, impatient. As a fire sign, I get it. Codependent in action, lack of focus, indecisive, overwhelmed, anxiety, infidelity. This is not to attack Sagittarius, okay? Pero ang dami ko naging ex na Sagittarius at hindi talaga kayo mapirme. Kayo ang isa sa number one or kayo ang number one sa list of people who cannot settle. Usually, cheaters. Pero, don't take it personally if di naman kayo ganon kasi yung placement natin sa ating birth chart, okay, hindi lang naman sun sign yan. Kung ang Venus mo, the way you love is hindi naman Sagittarius, then may ibang aspect ka, kung may water placement ka or earth, hindi naman agad cheater yon. Pero mostly kasi Sagittariuses are ma-explore kayo, adrenaline junkie kayo, madali kayong magsawa, mag-explore pag naboboard na kayo, ayun yung nasasakal or na-isolate. So, balance. Okay? Kung healed kayo, healthy ang pagiging ma-explore nyo. Kung naman may relationship kayo, for sure, pwede naman mag-settle kasi si Hailey Bieber, nag-settle naman siya, diba? So, powerful naman siya as a woman. So, depende pa rin yan sa inyo. Kung unhealed kayo, for sure, nag-cheat kayo lagi. At tama na. Okay? Lalo kung may anak kayo or may family, ay, ang karma hindi matatapos. Okay, pinagalitan. So, depende. Okay, take only what resonates and don't attack me. Kasi, ayan, nakukuha kong kakulitan ng Sagittarius. So, ang 8 of Pentacles, ang hard work, balance. Sobra din kayong achiever. Kasi you want to explore. Hindi kayo napipirme sa, kunyari, project, ito lang. No. May kawork akong ganyan, Sagittarius din. Kaya kami nagde-drive kasi we explore more. Hindi kami parang, ayaw namin na ganun lang. Gusto namin pagandahin pa ng pagandahin. Okay? Pero i-balance nyo kasi mababurn out kayo, yun na nga lang. Okay, 7 of Wands. So, naka 50-50 din siya. Challenge, competition, protection. I-balance nyo naman ang competition. Kasi ang Sagittarius, magaling din yan kasi action-oriented yan. Fire sign, passionate. Lahat ng fire sign, passionate. Okay? They want to free themselves to control things. Ayan, nagre-resonate yan sa mga kawork ko din. So, holding your own, standing up for yourself, but don't do it too much kasi magiging arrogance. So, yung pagiging defensive din nyo, okay? At minsan di kayo nakikinig sa opinion ng iba kasi feeling nyo yun na yung alam nyo yung best. Hindi rin pwede maging know-it-all, okay? Give chance to others, pero okay din kayo as a support system kasi talagang you aim for the best. That's good. Pero kahit anong mangyari, dapat laging may balance. Okay? Anything else for hold on. Okay, distracted din kayo. May nag-distract sa akin. O, diba? Tapos, naaligaga ako, ibabalik ko yung isang card. 10 of Pentacles. May abundance naman din paparating, wealth, financial security. Kasi naman, in fairness, ang mga Sagittarius, swerte. Yun ang napansin ko. Kasi nga, you aim for success. Di kayo tumitigil. Kaya lagi kayong minsan napapasama. Nagiging obsessed kayo sa work or sa achievement or pag-achieve, pag-attain ng something parang Aries, impulsive, ganyan. Pero mas Mas grounded, mas may sense yung passion ng Sagittarius. Hindi ko sinasabi na ang Aries ay walang sense, pero minsan hindi sila nag-iisip. Go, go, go. Yes. Friends. Naging Rufa May. Paano ba? Makukulit din ng Sagittarius, Joker. May placement din ako niyan, kaya makulit ako. Ayan, the Sun, just be happy. Do something with your highest excitement or from your highest excitement. Nahihirapan ako magsalita, B. Yung mga nag-yossi dyan, tigilan nyo, ha? Tigilan. Wow, nagsalita. Minsan din natatempt din ako, pero don't. Okay? Positivity, pleasure, happiness, vitality, fun, joy, warmth, celebration, success, rebirth, all is well. Okay? Speak up your truth, pero handle it carefully, especially kung professional kayo. Kasi ang Sagittarius din, iba din yan kapag nagalit. Okay, anything else? Anything else? Litigation, misinformation, avoiding or ending conflict, respecting differences, agreeing to disagree, diversity, peace. Ito ang inyong kailangan gawin. Okay? Tigilan ng misinformation kasi that's manipulation. Especially kung meron kayong power of attorney. Charot. May power kayo or may position kayo sa company nyo kung leader kayo. Okay? Kasi minsan that's how you control others. So don't. At give chance to others naman na mag-step up. Kasi hindi pwedeng kayo lang ang napopromote. Okay? Kaya kailangan peaceful kayo makipag-collaborate. Agree to disagree. Okay? Huwag i-push masyado. Mainit din ang ulo ng Sagittarius pag hindi nasusunod ang gusto. Okay? But for sure, you are a star. Malaki ang ambag ninyo. May ambagan pala. Hindi, malaki yung nako-contribute nyo sa company nyo or kung saan man to, kung sa love, sa family. Okay? Kasi achiever kayo, obviously. So, I hope this helps.